So, good morning, everyone. So, our next topic will be the hydrostatic force on plane surfaces and curved surfaces. Now, we are familiar man sa formula na F is equal to P times A, di ba? But sa atuang plane surfaces, kanina topic, we have to know that ang P na tuana is the pressure at the center of gravity times the area. Okay? Sige. So, we have here the diagram for our hydrostatic force on a plane surfaces. So, for example, na atay So for example, we have here a plane surface dire. So for example, natay plane surface. So this is our plane surface ha. So in this plane surface, kaning brown dire class, kanina brown. Let's say this is our gate. So when we say gate, kani siya dire, pwede ni siyang maabre, pwede ni siyang masudlan sa tubig gikan dire. Okay? So for example, this is the gate. So since naman type water dire or liquid dire na part, so therefore naay pressure at this part nga nag-exert towards sa atuang gate or normal sa atuang gate. Okay? So, if kana na pressure is multiplyan na nato sa area, ani niya, we will have our force. Okay? So, that force, pagkuhaan na force, we only have to use this formula. P is equal to the pressure at the center of gravity times the area. Kuha? So, ang area ana is normal siya sa atoang force. Okay? So, in this part, ang atuang plane surface is at the nasa angle from the horizontal or sa atuang water surface. So, kaning atuang force F class, na-locate ni siya, wala siya na-locate sa center of gravity or centroid sa atuang gate. Okay? But, na-locate ni siya ubos sa centroid or center of gravity sa atuang gate. So, na-locate siya, sa siya na-locate? Na-locate siya at CP. Ha? Na-locate siya at CP. CP is the location of the force. It is the center of pressure. So, we know nga, kabalo naman ta sa centroid sa usa ka shape or the center of gravity sa usa ka shape, and ubos ana, that distance it is what we call our E or the eccentricity. Okay? So we have formula for our E. It is the moment inertia all over the area times the barred Y. So this is our barred Y class ha, and this is our YP. So YP na to is equal to barred Y plus E. And then for our barred H, ano siya nga, barred H, ang barred H na to is, sa may meaning sa barred H dire, from the surface of the water to the center of gravity of the submerged area or the wetted area. So you have to take note about this. Kuha? So these are all the formulas that we should Atong i-memorize kanina formula. Okay, so sa plane surface ra ni siya. Now, let's proceed to our curved surface. So sa curved surface class, di ba sa plane is ang force is acting normal sa atong surface. Muna siya force na to. Pero sa curved surfaces, since curved naman siya, we have horizontal force and the vertical force. Pero sa vertical force class, you have to know that we have the formula for our vertical is unit weight of our liquid times the volume. So kana na volume, it's either real volume or imaginary volume. Okay? So, kano sa man ta makabalo if real volume siya and imaginary volume? Okay. So, if mingon tag vertical, we have two choices or two types of vertical force for our curved surface. So, if real volume siya, ang atoang direction of our force is pa down, and if imaginary is pa up. Okay? So, if mayong tag real volume class, ang gina-carry sa atoang curve, so this is our curve, from A to B, muna siya curve, surface na to, ang gina-carry ana na curve is real water. Kani siya. So, may gi-carry ani na curve. Sige, carry ani. So, all we need to do is nantawon na to if unsang ang iyang gi-carry. So, ang iyang gi-carry is real water. So, therefore, ang atoang direction for that is pa down. So, atong force V is downward. Okay? So, for our force F, so, same, ang formula for our horizontal is the pressure at the center of the gravity times the area. So, kaning area niya, class, is the projected area. So, for example, this one, kung sayang na located gyapon atong FH at the center pressure or the CP, so, if unsay times na to og projected area, then we can get the horizontal force. Okay? Pero, sa FV, for example, di ba, katong kanina is real water to siya. Real water. For example, this one. Example, this one, class. Katong kanina, class, atong FV is paubos. So, in this example, unsa may forma sa atong FV? So, we know that our curve is curve A to B. So, this is our curve. Okay? So, unsa may gidalaan ni na curve? Sa atong natawon, unsa may gidalaan ni na curve? So, ang gidalaan ni na curve is this one. Kani. So, therefore, wala siya gidala na tubig. Ang tubig na to, kay naalang man diri. So, wala siya gi-carry na water. So, therefore, it is imaginary volume. So, if it is imaginary volume, our FV is pasaka. Kuha? So, ang sa FV na siya direction of force. It's either ang iyang gi-carry is real volume, so iyang direction is pa down. And if imaginary volume lang siya, dili water ang iyang gi-carry, so iyang direction is pasaka. Kuha? Okay. So, mas masabtan pa ni siya as we go sa mga examples. Okay. Now, let's proceed to example number 1. Okay. We have here example number 1. So this is our example 1. Okay, so for our example number 1, a vertical rectangular gate. So for example, so natay vertical rectangular gate 1.22 meter wide. So for example, mo ni siya atong 3D class, so na siya 1.22 meter wide. So example 3D ni siya and 1.83 ang height. 1.83 height. Hinge at the top. So na siya hinge dire at the top. And then on one side has water on one side. So has water on one side. So na siya water on this side. One side. So wala siya water at this part, dire na part. Sige. Next is the gate. What force applied at the bottom of the gate at angle of 45 degrees with the vertical is required to open the gate when the water surface is at the top of the gate? So, atong unahon is, ang atong water surface daw is at the top of our gate. So, if nana siya sa top, so naadiri ato ang water surface. So, this. So, muna siya. Okay, so muna itong situation 1. Okay. So, ang gipangitaan ni is kaning F. So, pila daw ang F? Isa to? What force applied at the bottom of the gate is required para ma-open ang gate when the water surface is at the top? Okay. So, we know that since water man ni siya class, no, nag-exert ni siya of pressure. So, this is our pressure diagram at this part. Na. So, if natay pressure diha, of course, natay, times anang nato siyag area, natay force. Pero ang question, asa dapitan na locate ang ato ang force? Since naman tay CG diri class, and we know nga ato ang force kay at na-locate siya at the center of pressure at CP. So, if natay CG diri, dapat makakuha ta sa value at E para kabaluta if pila atong iubos para malocate nato ang center of pressure, which is the location of our F1. Okay? Sige. So, since this plane surface has no angle, so therefore our barred H and barred Y are equal, and YP na to is barred H or barred Y plus E. What else? So our Fx, we know that Fx is equal to F sine 45 and Fy is equal to F cos 45. Kana. Sapay pwede na itong makuha. So, let's try F1. Kuha na itong F1. So, we know, as we discussed here sa ato ang principle, that ang ato ang normal force or ato ang F na siya'y formula na unit weight of liquid times barred H times the area. So, unit weight of liquid, barred H times the area. So, unsa ni siya nga area? Niunsa siya dire? Ang area ana na formula is the area submerged or wetted, which is also normal to the force. Area wetted and it is normal to the force. Sige. So, area wetted. So, therefore, mumani, ang wetted, ang nabasa. So, mumani siya ang nabasa, di ba? Kani siya tanan. And it is normal to the force. So, therefore, F1 is equal to 9.81 sige, so let's just assume that our specific gravity for this problem is 1. Aman po siya ningon nga si water lang man. Okay. So 1. And then for our barred H is 1.83 all over 2. Kay half lang man siya. When you say barred H, it is from the water surface to the center of gravity. And then for our area, 1.83 times 1.22. So therefore, we have F1 is equal to, pila F1 na to? 20.040 kilonewton. Okay? Sige. So, para makuha na to ang F-class, pwede ta mo moment at A. So, pag moment na to ang at A, dapat natay value sa ato ang, so, Fx na to na nata times the height, F1 times, so, kulangan times Yp. Diba? Times Yp. So, Yp na to is equal to barred Y plus E. We know that our barred Y is also equal to our barred H, which is 1.83 all over 2. So therefore, we have to get our E so that we can solve for our Yp. We know that the formula for our E is equal to I all over area times the barred Y. Diba? Sige. So, we know that I is the moment of inertia. So, Ig plus AD squared. So, this is the formula for our moment of inertia. Sige. So, for example, sige. So, we know that the moment of inertia, usa man ni atong shape gani dire, we have a shape of rectangle. And if it is rectangle, we know that iyahang Ig is equal to BH cube all over 12. Muna siya iyahang moment of inertia of a specific rectangle, rectangle ra na siya. So, we have BH cube all over 12 plus AD squared. So, what is our base here? 1.22 and height is 1.83. 1.22 height is 1.83 cube all over 12. Ana. Plus our area sa rectangle, 1.22 times 1.83. Now, for our d squared, unsa man ang d squared na to, class? If may, for example, this one. Ang center of gravity ani na shape, class. for example, is at this part. When you say center of gravity at this shape, kani jud tibuok shape ang akong pasabot ana ha. So muna siya ay So ang center of gravity as this shape is at this part. Kuha. So when we say So when we say d squared class or kanang d nato, from the center of gravity, paingon siya sa center of gravity sa binagsa na shape. So naman tayo duha ka shape di ba dire? So first, let's have area 1 kani. Asa man center of gravity sa area 1? So we have here. Kaya mo man siya center of gravity sa atuang triangle. 1/3 dire and 2/3 siya dire. So from this part to this part, muna siya atong D1. Kuha nimo? Okay. So ang center of gravity na pud sa atong area 2, which is the kani siya square, na po siya dire. Na siya dire. So ang atuang D2 is from this part sa atong CG to this that is our D2. Okay? Sige. So, since our kanang area is just 1 and rectangle siya, center of gravity nato sa tunga, paingon siya sa center of gravity sa imuhang specific jud nga shape is sa tunga raman Japon, so therefore the distance is 0. So 0 ni siya. So we know I is equal to 1.22 times 1.83 cube all over 12 only. So kanin siya ma-cancel out. So muna siya. Nanatay I. So we can now get the value of our E. E is equal to 1.22 times 1.83 cube over 12 all over area 1.22 times 1.83 times barred Y is equal to barred H 1.83 over 2. So our E is equal to pila tong E? 0.31. Kuha ninyo? 0.31 meter. Okay, so we can now substitute. So if we have barred Y na 1.83 over 2 and 0.31, so therefore our YP, pila man atong YP ani class? 1.225 meters. So nanatay value sa YP, value sa E, sa pa, value sa atong barred H, value sa atong barred Y, value sa F1, Fx, and Fy. So, kompleto na. So, therefore, we can now have our summation of moment. Ano naman lagi answer din? Wait. So, sige. So, mag-summation of moment ha. Summation moment A is equal to 0. So, the summation of moment A ta class, it is because we know and it is given sa problem na hinge siya during the pita. So, pidita mo summation of moment. So, if mo summation of moment ta at A, unsa man, ang timaniha, kita tanan dapat positive atong direction ingon ani. So, saman. So, wala na tayo FY class. Anong wala man ng FY? It is because along raman siya sa ato ang hinge. So, wala siya horizontal distance. So, we have Fx. Pila man atong Fx? It is positive kay paana man siya. So natay fx, which is f sine 45 times 1.83. Times the distance, 1.83. What else? Sa pilaing forces diri? Ato ang F1, this is negative, kay opposite sa ato ang positive direction. F1 nga 20.040 minus 20.040 times its distance. Pila man na yung distance? So YP, pila tong YP? 1.225. So therefore, F is equal to pila? 18.971 kilonewton. So muna siya ato ang F. Now let's proceed to sample B. Question letter B. So ningon si letter B nga, what if the kuno ang tubig kay naa na pud siya sa 0.91 meter above the top of the gate? Okay, saan man na? So sa drawing class, inganali na inyong drawing kani. Kuha. So same ra Japon nakay. So imuhang nakay water pressure diagram diri. Ana. So mangita na pug ka force raman natong kinahanglan ani class. So when we talk about the hydrostatic force on plane surfaces, force ra siya. So ang atoa lang yung concern ani is asa dapitan na locate ang atoang force sa atoang hydrostatic force. Okay? So when you say hydrostatic force, force siya sa imuhang liquid. Asa siya na locate? Kuha? Sige. So, first let's get the value of barred H. So when you say barred H, ano sa ganitong barred H? It is the vertical distance from the water surface to the center of gravity. So makita nato dire mo ni ato ang water surface. So gikan diha natay 0.91 plus 1.83 over 2. Okay, center of gravity sa ato ang rectangular is just kanang sa tunga. So 1.83 over 2. So pila ni? Pila tong barred H? So natay 1.825 meters. So since wala siya angle, so atong barred Y is just equal to our barred H. Sige. So next, we have to get our YP. Or dapat na patay E. So sa E na to, so I BH cube over 12. I is equal to IG plus AD squared ha. So I is equal to BH cube. So B 1.82. Plus the area. So atong D ana is still 0 kay center to center is 0, wala kay distance. So same lang gyapon. So kana. So atong E diri is 1 point ay diri na lang sa ubos. So So atong E diri, value sa atong E diri class. All over the area times barred y 1.825. So pila man ni ato ang E? So natay 0.153 meters. Okay, please check ha. Nakoy mga sipyat, just tell me. Sige. So, nanatay E. So, if natay E diha, nanatay YP. YP is equal to barred Y plus E. So, 1.978 meters. So, i-add lang. So, okay na. So, pwede na ta. So, next thing to do is summation of moments. So, same process. So, if pinaman eh. Ito ang fx is equal to f sine 45 times height nga 1.83. Paingon ka diri ha sa hinge. Dili paingon diri. Dili ka paingon. Sige. Minus F1 na to. Pila to atong F1 class? Pila to F1? Kuha taglaing value sa F1 di ay. So for our F1, so for our F1, we have unit weight of liquid at bar H. So 9.81 times 1 times barred H. Pila? 1.825 times wetted area sa atong gate. Pila? 1.83. Times 1.22. So that's the area. To? Sige. Pila man na? So F1 is equal to 39.971 kilonewton. Times ikan ka diri paana, so na kay YP minus 0.91. YP minus 0.91. O ba? Sige. So F is equal to 32.99 kilonewton. So this is our answer for our second situation. Oops. So nahimo siyang YP minus 0.91 kay at this part lang man siya class. YP man iti buok. Kani 0.91 so ato lang i-minus para kanilang na distance. Sige, next. Sige. Ninapod. So, ano yun sa to dali? Letter C is if the water daw kay at 0.91 meter below the top of the gate. Sige, below. So, kani 0.91 meter below na siya sa ato ang gate. Saon man ni nato. So, same lang gihapon. Let's get our fx. Fx is the same. So, f sine 45. So, fy dili na ma-consider kay it's along the hinge A lang. Sa pa, f1. F1 na to is maliquid barred H A. So, 9.81 times the SG1 times barred H. Pila man na itong barred H aniron class? Sige. So, if 0.91 ni siya, and this is 1.83 ang whole, this is 1.83, di ba? Na. So, therefore, ang atong water surface to the bottom is 0.92 meters. So, if that is 0.92 meters, atong barred H na lang is 0.92 divide 2, which is 0.46. Kay, sa atong barred H, ang sa atong meaning sa barred H, from the surface of water to the center of gravity of the wetted area. Kung sa may wetted area, this is only the wetted area, this part and pa down. Ana, muna siya wetted area class. Kani ang atoang wetted area. So therefore, kani lang atong kuhaan og barred H. Kani lang atong i-consider. Kuha? Sige. So barred H na to is equal to barred Y 0.92 divide 2. So 0.46 meters. Times the area. Unsa man ang area nga gi-consider? It is the submerged or the wetted area. So, submerged area nato is 1.22 times 0.92 na lang. Kaya mo na lang may nabasa, di ba? So, therefore, F1 is pilay F1? 5.065 kilonewton. Wala ko yung mga kilonewton. Kana. Kuha. Sige, next. For our YP, we have to get our E first. Isa. Since kani pong ato ang I, considering wetted. So, sa tanang formula for the plane surface, ang i-consider ana is just the wetted area sa ato ang plane surface, ha? Sige, consider na ang wetted area or submerged area. Mura gyud. So, atong base is the same, 1.22. And our height, wetted man, usa ra may nabasa nga height, 0.92 cube over 12. So, atong area na to, so center niya to center, same lang gyapon, 0. Wetted lang gihapon ni klasa, wetted lang gihapon na. So, ay na to. Kana lang. So, makakuha na ta sa atong E. Itong area is 1.22 times 0.92 times barred Y. Pilay barred Y na to? 0.46. So, atong E is equal to, if inyo nang i-calculate, 0.46 3. We just have to check class ha. Kaya mo man naa sa akong solution. Na ko i-check. So, YP, makuha na tag YP, barred Y plus E. Pila itong barred Y? 0.46 plus 0.1533. So, this is 0. Pila man eh? 613. Okay, 0.613. Let's just consider the 0.613. Yan na. So, pwede na ta. Summation of, summation of, ano to? Summation of moment A. So, pila man to? Sige, nantawa. Summation of moment A. Natay fx, positive. So, f sin 45 times 1.83. Ba? Sunod, minus 5.065 times, pila distance na to? Naatay, gikan dire, paana? Pila man na class? So, natay YP plus 0.91. YP man eh. YP plus 0.91. 0.613 plus 0.91. Sakto? Okay. So, therefore, we have F is equal to 5.96 kilonewton. Ano? Now, let's proceed to example sa curved surface. Okay. So, a 3-meter diameter open cylindrical tank contains water and has a hemispherical bottom as shown in the figure. So, when we say hemisphere, it is, half of a sphere. So, determine the magnitude of the force of the water on the curved bottom. So, since curved naman siya, we will be using the principle of a curved surface. Okay? So, usa lagi pangita ang magnitude of the force of the water on the curved bottom. Okay. So, first, we know that the volume of sphere, pila may volume sa sphere? It is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So, muna siya volume sa sphere ha. Timanan ninyo na. And then, So ang gipangita lang man ani kay force on the water of the water on the curve. So therefore ang gipangita is ang FV. Okay? Ang gipangita lang is FV. So if mingon di batag FV class, ang formula sa FV, unsa tay formula sa FV? It is the unit weight sa liquid times the volume nga gi-carry sa atoang curved surface. Okay? And then we know that ang FV nato kana siya direction. If real volume siya or ang gi-carry ba sa atoang curved surface is real water, so, unsa man ato ang direction? It is downward direction at ng FV. But if ang gi-carry sa atong curved surface is just dili tubig or dili any type of liquid, therefore it is just an imaginary volume. So, ang ato ang direction for FV is upward. So, in this part, this is our end point sa atong curve. So, this is our curve. Okay? So, atong unahog pangitaan ana class is ang end points sa ato ang curve. Asa man? This is the end point 1 and end point 2. Then, asa atong tubig? Muna siya ato ang water. Diba? And then, ato siyang i-connect. I-connect na to. Kana. Connect na to sila. So, since water man na, di ba? Ang gi-carry sa niya is tubig. So, therefore, ang gi-carry sa ato ang curved surface is real volume. So, we can therefore conclude that ang ato ang direction sa ato ang FV is downward. Kuha? Okay. Ano? So, FV. Downward siya. So, unit weight sa atong liquid, 9.81 times 1 lang. Masyag ingon, what type of liquid? Ingon na masyag water. So, just say SG is 1. And then, our volume nga, gi-carry. So, pila man ang total volume anang blue nga gi-highlight. So, it is so man ang volume na to. Ato sang kwaon ang total volume sa cylinder. Sa formula man sa cylinder, it is the area sa ato ang circle. Since 3 man ang diameter, or sa man area sa circle, pi r squared. Times na nimog height, muna na siya area sa imong cylinder, ay volume sa imong cylinder. Pi r squared h. Since 3 ang diameter, 1.5 ang radius times 8. So, muna siya total area. Ato lang minusan sa volume sa ato ang hemisphere. Okay? So, since we have the volume sa atong sphere, pi 1.5 radius, so ato lang siya i-divide to 2 kay hemisphere lang man. So, FV na to is equal to naman na class sa ako sa computer. So, we have our force V, or our vertical force is 485.4 kilonewton. Ana yung direction. Since it carries a real volume of liquid. Okay? Sige. Okay, this one. It's ha, kay gadawt kung mas maayo da boy if a assignment ni. Okay, so this is your assignment. Okay, so for your assignment class, I will be just sending ako lang isend sa GC ha, ang inyong assignment. And also, wala lang nako na video ang pag-solve sa ato ang assignment ni Agi. It is because if ako pa siyang i-discuss, taas na siya kaayo diri na video, basi dili ko ka-upload. So, ako lang pod siyang kanang i-solve manually and then i-check lang sa inyong solution, and if you have question, pwede lang pod nga mangutana mo karong Wednesday. Okay? Kaya ato man pod ning ansiran tanan. Kuha? Sige. So that's it, class. For your assignment, isend lang nako sa GC, and also the answer sa inyong previous assignment, I will also send it to our GC. And if you have question, you can ask sa ato ang GC lang, class, kay magbalik-balik ang question. So, if di na mo kahulat, pwede nyo i-ask direkta karon sa GC, and if makahulat mo, pwede mo ask personally na karong Wednesday. Okay? Okay, we will be discussing the answer for this assignment. Okay? That's all, class. Thank you.